Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by readying the camera and lens because you need the system active to preview aperture effects. Locate the depth of field preview button on the camera body now, or assign a custom control in menus if it's not set. Set your exposure basics, aperture, shutter, ISO, so the preview reflects the scene you want. Once done, half-press the shutter to focus or engage autofocus lock. Make sure focus is locked before you test the preview. You press and hold the DOF preview button to force the lens to stop down to the selected aperture, and then look through the viewfinder or at live view to see the change in depth of field. While holding it, note how much background blur returns or how foreground elements come into focus. This reveals the effective plane of focus. Make adjustments to aperture, focus point, or distance and repeat. This hands-on comparison is how you learn the real impact of settings. You release the preview to return to the lens's widest aperture for a brighter view and easier focusing, then recompose and capture the image once satisfied with how the DOF looked. If the preview makes the viewfinder too dim, switch to live view where exposure simulation helps, or increase ISO temporarily to evaluate. If results still differ, verify lens aperture blades are functioning and check for custom button conflicts. This single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.